In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a discount on Hostinger in June 2025. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, you're in luck. Hostinger is offering some of the best deals of the year, so whether you're launching your first website or upgrading an existing one, now is the perfect time to lock in a reliable hosting plan at a fraction of the cost. Before we get into how to get the discount, I'm going to walk you through what Hostinger is and why it's one of our top choices for hosting. So if you've never heard of Hostinger before, it's one of the best places to get affordable web hosting. It's super beginner friendly, really fast, and way cheaper than a lot of other hosting platforms out there. If you're building your first website or even your fifth, it's got everything you need to get up and running without any tech headaches. You don't have to be a coder or know anything fancy. The dashboard is super clean and simple, so you can just install WordPress, set up emails, or manage your site in just a few clicks. What I love about Hostinger is that it's not just a budget hosting platform, it actually performs so well. Your websites load quickly, which is really important if you want people to actually stick around. You get solid features like a free SSL certificate, automated backups, and 24/7 live chat support in case you ever get stuck. They've also got different hosting options depending on what you need. It's reliable, easy to use, and doesn't break the bank. So that's why it's one of our top picks. Okay, so now how to get the actual discount. What you want to do is use our exclusive link in the description below, and that is going to automatically apply the 75% off. So if what you want to do is click claim the deal, and as you can see, they have two different options here. So they've got the premium website builder and the business website builder. Again, you can save up to 75% off with the premium plan, and this just starts out at $299 a month for a 48-month term, and you get 3 months free. With this, you get 25 websites, 2 mailboxes per website, the drag and drop editor. Both plans have the 30-day money back guarantee, which is huge. And then you get tools like the AI website builder. And then with the business website builder, you can save 71% off those. So this is just $399 per month for a 48-month term, plus the 3 months free as well. You get 50 websites, 5 mailboxes per website, some other key features like Google Ad, mobile editing, etc. And then you get a bunch of AI tools. So you get the AI image generator, writer, blog generator, and so much more. And then you also get the e-commerce included in this as well. So you get the e-commerce features, 0% transaction fees, and 100 plus payment methods. So make sure you're choosing the one that best fits your needs. And I'm going to show you how to save even more. So you'll want to choose plan. And then I would recommend selecting the 48-month period because that's how you are going to get the biggest discount. And then to save even more, you want to type in my first website at checkout, and you can save an extra 10%. So again, make sure you use our link in the description below and then use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout for even more. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance. It really helps support the channel so we can continue creating high quality, helpful content. Okay, you guys, that wraps up today's video. If you're ready to claim the discount, just click the link below. And again, don't forget to use MyFirstWebsite at checkout for that extra 10% off. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.